Centerline plan. Let us first review the information and line of action instructed to the contractor. We provided the start point to the contractor with the help of a reference point on the plot. From here, we provided dimensions such that the contractor could plot the periphery line of the building. Double-checked with diagonal dimensions. From this periphery profile, he then marked the building outline with the given dimensions. The setback line was then superimposed and the building profile checked against it. Made sure all the building corners were within the setback, specifically the critical corners. On confirming that all points are within the setback, we will now proceed to mark the certain lines of the walls. This is a sample of how the block plan or setting out plan with the minimal but sufficient information will look. Hopefully, the one produced by you looks something similar. So, to start with, the contractor has the start point and the building profile. Considering the start point as 0, 0, the contractor will peg the measuring tape there and mark on the site the cumulative dimensions along the x-axis and the y-axis. This will now give him the grid of the certain lines of the wall on both the axes. Now, your sections will play an important role. All sections, wherever there is variation to the footing, should be provided to the contractor. First comes the size of the PCC base. In order to decide the width of the excavation, the width and slope of the excavation will depend on various factors, like type of soil, depth of excavation, available space. This is a side issue and usually cannot be determined by the architect in office. Then come the various layers of the uncoarse rubble masonry. The sizes of the various layers should be clearly marked in the section. Then the final wall or plinth beam, as required, will finish the section. These sections should guide and clearly instruct the contractor every situation or the variation of the walls. This completes the information to be provided in the Centerline plan.
Hope you enjoyed this session and the information was helpful. Do not forget to follow Archismart on Instagram. Connect Professor Abhay on 9763133650 in case of any queries on the content of this video or software related issues. Also, do not miss the opportunity of free guidance on doing masters abroad. Thank you.